Binondo.
Ang una at pinakamatandang Chinatown sa buong mundo. 431 taon na ang nakalipas mula nang italaga ng mga Espanyol ang lugar na ito para sa mga Katolikong Injil. A place of commerce ever since, and a place where not only trade and race converge, kundi maging kultura. Isa nga sa mga nadala na kultura ng mga Inchek sa munting lugar na ito ay yung kanilang architectural elements. At dito sa Binondo, talamak at naglipa na yung mga architectural elements na ito. Sikat dito yung mga gaya ng Pailu gates nila. Nagsisilbi din kasing marka kung saan nagsisimula at nagtatapos yung mga dinadayong parte ng Binondo. Tulad na lamang ng Ongpin Street. Bukod pa dito, these gates are symbol of deep friendship between Filipinos and Chinese. Dito, makakakita ka something as grand as the Filipino-Chinese arc. Or kaya ito, simple lang, tulad na itong nasa compound. Makikita din, marami silang mga guardian na nasa harap ng kanilang mga entrances. Typically, mga lion dogs ito, or called fu dogs in colloquial Chinese.
Ay, food dogs.
Sa bubong naman, madalas gumagamit sila ng pan and two tiles. Kumbaga, katumbas sa atin nun is yung tegula. Gumagamit din sila ng purlin sa kanilang mga bubong. Usually, it's for practical purposes, additional support sa kanilang mga rafters. Pero for aesthetics, ginagamit nila ito para lalagyanan din ng crest on either ends. Minsan, dragon din nilalagay. Then, of course, may iba-iba rin silang uri ng bubong. Nandyan yung Budian. Gusto mo mas grand, meron sila yung Sieshan. Pero kung gusto mo namang simple lang, meron na sila ng Swanshan.
Sinacrifice nila yung lives nila to protect Buddha from hate.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We're here at Santa Cruz, Manila.
Standing in front of the Philippine Qiuxiao Grand Towers Temple.
This is a Taoist temple. People come here every day to pay respects. Despite all the chaos around Binondo, here, it suddenly goes quiet. Ramdam all over the place yung solemnity ng place. And despite the vibrant colors, the atmosphere here is heavy. These temples are very traditional. The roofs, despite being concrete, still uses the duogong bracketing system. Columns are very ornate, usually red yung shaft and the base is round. Some have writing and some have other intricacies such as dragons.
Sorry, medyo po hindi po kasi ako maalam. Paano po ba mag-pay ng respects po dito?
Tingnan mo yung tao kung anong ginawa mo. Sundo mo sa kanya. Yan.
Okay, salamat po.
Going in Shengguan Temple alone and a bit later in the afternoon really made the experience surreal. It was quiet and serene, pero the atmosphere there was screaming. The silence was so loud at practically maririnig mo yung paghinga ng ibang tao sa kabilang ibayo. This temple is a 5-point Shedi stupa with the biggest one in the middle. It is ornate with hundreds of little Buddhas in the wall.
I'm actually gonna go down na.
To be honest, medyo intimidating siya to go alone. Pero the view at the top is worth it. Pero the most surreal part is the very, very large repository of human urn. You can feel the history, the legacy, and of course, the sorrow with each and every urn.
front of the post office is the starting point of the Golden Parade, or going inside Binondo. It consists of many floats and many cars. Like, it really resembles a snake kasi sobrang haba niya. Those floats consist of mayor, the vice mayor, even schools participating in the Golden Parade. And I even witnessed Sun Wukong and a Bian Leon, which is a face changer. It basically changes mask, like, briefly. When they started the parade, they were giving out or tossing around decoys, gold coins that are really chocolates, candies, even t-shirts, which there are so many people trying to get one as well. And they also gave out noodles, which are really surprising since I didn't expect them to throw out noodles and even decoys in front of like 100 people, because it's really too many. We walk alongside the parade going inside Binondo, and I'm not even joking when I saw like a sea of people, a sea of crowd of people in front or at the side of the gates or the arch of Binondo. And even going inside Binondo, it like doubles the people inside. The parade was super fun. It's really lively and festive since it's really a major celebration.
Nakapunta na po ba kayo ng China? Hindi pa.
Hindi pa. Ano pa lang. Yung mga
Sa?
anak ko lang.
May lahi po kayo?
Hindi. Yung husband ko lang.
Bilang may bahay po ng isang
Chinese?
Filchi, opo, ano pong masasabi niyong pinagkaiba?
Yung biyenan ko is sobrang maalaga sa mga anak ko before siya talaga yung nandun sa school.
Opo. Very family-oriented nga daw po sila. No?
Maano sila sa food. Mahilig sila
Pagkain
sa
po.
food.
Okay.
And maano sila talaga, business-minded. Kahit yung mga bata pa, tinuturoan na.
Hello! Ang beauty eh. Thank you po. Thank you po. Okay. Bye, Prince!
Bye, dear.
Saan ho kayo naglalagi ngayon na nakatira? Dito na rin ho kayo sa Binondo?
Hindi, ang bahay ko mayong Quezon City ako nakatira.
Quezon City po?
Paglampas ng North Cemetery. Magulang.
Ako po na nagsisimula pa lang sa buhay, anong may papayo nyo sa akin?
Ang magulang mo ay marunong lumuskat at may kaya. Pahalagaan mo yung kanyang pinasikapan. Kasi kung gagawa ka ng masama, kaya maganda pa rin yung may karunungan ka. Pwede nga lang lahat nakita mo yung artista, lahat pinapasukan. Artista, negosyante, politika, o maliban na lang kung ang mga magulang dahil may business, mayaman, may aring bitin, mayaman. Kamamanahan ka, hindi ka na magtatrabaho, kamamanahan. Pero kung mahirap ka, sumikap ka, kung umaasa.
Thank you, Tay.
Maging mabuti ka sa kapwa.
Sino po sila?
Mark.
Si Kuya Mark and si
Bogart.
Kuya Bogart. Kayo po may-ari nito?
Hindi, kaibigan ko yan.
Ay! Mukha po kayong hasindero, negosyante.
Hindi.
Parang artista. Pwede ko kayo kamayan?
Pwede.
Thank you, thank you.
Ano gusto mo dyan? Sasagutin ko na. Sige mo to. Tikman niya at ma-vlog niya, ha?
Sa tingin niyo po, ano pong pinagkaiba ng Pilipinas sa China?
Pinagkaiba sa Pilipinas. Dito sa Pilipinas, puro Pilipino. Sa China, puro Chinese.